Begin by opening your Clipchamp project. Ready to preserve your hard work? Next, locate the Save button at the top right corner. It's your best friend. Click on the Save button to secure your project. A progress bar will show your saving process. Don't forget to name your video. Choose a title that reflects your work. Once saved, a confirmation message appears. You've done it. Now your project is safe and ready for sharing. Isn't that rewarding? Remember, regularly saving your work is key. Don't risk losing your efforts. Explore additional file formats for saving. Clipchamp offers versatile options. Consider backing up your video on cloud services for extra security. Lastly, share your creation proudly. Share the link with friends and family. Give feedback to improve your future projects. Collaborate and grow. With these tips, you're set for success. Happy editing!